Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to another advent calendar unboxing video. And as you can see, today we're going to see what's inside the ELEMIS, the home of British skincare advent calendar. So as you can see, this is the next level of like reusable packaging. It's not only the advent calendar that you can reuse as an advent calendar, but this is like stuck tins that you can use for like any way you want, right? So this is how it looks without the paper like sleeve. Look how pretty it is. Yeah, I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's just jump in. So I'm opening the top. I'm not really sure if this is supposed to be in like in an order. I think it is. I think we have numbers from 1 to 9 here. So yeah, that's very handy. Okay, so let's just start. So number 1 is here, and we have something green. So this is Superfood Day Cream, a probiotic day cream, and we have 20 ml of the product here. So this is how it looks. This day cream combines a probiotic with superfoods of ginger, matcha and goji berry. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. Do not eat. Okay, I won't. Alright, moving on. Number 2 is this one here. It's actually, the cardboard is actually quite sturdy, so technically it could be reused as an advent calendar too, but I'm pretty sure we can just get rid of the paper and just use the tins for like something else. What is this? This is... Oh, I thought this is something new for me, but I think I've tried that before. This is Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Soothing Facial Oil. And it's supposed to be anti-aging. I was a bit confused because the bottle I have like a full-size bottle and it's pink-ish. So the fact that we have like a clear one confused me a little bit. So directions: massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. So this is the type of oil that you can use as a serum, so you can just warm like a couple of drops in your hands and then just like pat it on your face and neck and décolleté, and then put a moisturizer on top of that. So yeah, we have this like a travel size of a facial oil. Okay, moving on, number 3. Okay, the most obvious door here. Number 3, and here we have ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. So this is an anti-aging product. We have 30 ml here. Skin smoothing cleanser. Use it on a damp skin morning and evening, avoiding the eye area. Rinse off. Okay, do you know what? I think I have it somewhere. I think I have same size somewhere in my bathroom, but I didn't really get to use it yet. So I can't really tell you much about it. I mean, it's a facial wash. I mean, how surprised can I be with that, right? But yeah, I'm definitely going to give it a go. All right, number 4 is this one here. Again, something green. Do you know what? The carton inside, the box inside is actually not really too sturdy, so you might actually face the problem of like products being in different compartments. That can happen because they're quite flimsy there. Anyway, that doesn't matter, right? As long as we have all the products, everything's all right. So this is ELEMIS Superfood Night Cream, probiotic night cream, and we have 20 ml here. So did we have a day cream before? Yeah, so we had the day cream in day number, was it 1? And then we have night cream. So we have a nice set, which is quite cool. So the night cream, apply every evening to cleanse dry skin. Like, no rocket science here, to be honest, but I was trying to find like some more information about it, but apart from like do not eat, nothing really too interesting. Anyway, yeah, I haven't really tried these products. I have tried something from that line, and I think it was like a face wash, like a micellar face wash, and it was actually quite cool, but I don't think I've tried any moisturizers, so yeah, that is quite exciting for me. What was the number that we opened? Was it 4? I think it was 4, yes. So let's move down here to number 5. So we have, yes, it's a toner. It's a balancing lavender toner, purifying facial toner. So I have tried the ginger one, I have tried the apricot one, I have never tried the lavender one, so again, I'm really happy to have something that I haven't tried before. Obviously I've tried like quite many ELEMIS products, so I do I am aware that there are going to be repeats, but this one is a new one for me. We have 50 ml here, and it says this gentle purifying facial toner effectively tones the skin and helps rebalance the pH level. That sounds good. Moisten cotton wool pad and wipe gently over the face after cleansing. Is it the one with like a sprayer? No, it's not. Okay, so I think the full size bottle has like the kind of sprayer thing. This one doesn't, so it kind of makes sense to apply it on a cotton pad, or, you know, reusable one. That's even better for the environment, right? Okay, so number 6 is up here, and here we have another green one. This is a Superfood facial wash, probiotic gel cleanser. So it's a second facial wash in this advent calendar already. Hope we don't have any more facial washes, because, you know, two is enough, right? This facial wash combines a probiotic with superfoods of avocado, broccoli and kale. Skin is left feeling soft and deeply cleansed with an outdoor fresh glow. That sounds good. Massage gently into damp skin and rinse off. And again, do not eat. Like, honestly, is it something that people try to eat when they see it? I don't know. We have 30 ml here, something I haven't tried before. Again, was it number 8? I think it was number... Oh no, it was number 6, and now we're moving on to number 7, which is this... I don't know if you can see, but it's that tiny. Like, really. Okay, that was weird. That was the tiniest door that you can imagine, and we have something very tiny here too. Okay, this is Pro Collagen Eye Renewal. This is anti-wrinkle eye cream. Do you know what? I thought this was something I have tried before, but I don't think I have tried this particular one. What I've tried was the eye renewal mask, like nighttime mask, and that was amazing. I don't think I've tried the eye cream. So yeah, again, something new, something quite exciting for me. Okay, now we can move on to number 8, which is here. It's the long one. Okay, we have a change of color. This is Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Kombucha Glow Moisturizer, and we have 20 ml again. Do you know, I like the sizes here, because 20 ml is like enough to kind of use the product for a little bit and, you know, just kind of test it on your skin. Because whenever you have like those tiny samples and you can use it on your like twice, you can't really tell, like, is it going to work with your skin or not. Anyway, defined by nature, led by science, a priming moisturizer that leaves skin with a dewy glow. Apply each morning to cleansed skin. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. So I guess you can just use it by itself as a moisturizer, and it will just give you this dewy glow. But also it can be used as a moisturizer with primer in it, so you can apply makeup directly on top of it. Okay, number 9, right? So this is the last one in this tin, and this is okay. We have 2 products in here. I mean, I think this is one product in 2 parts, but so we have ELEMIS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and this is 20 grams. So this is the tiny one, but you know what? I love this product. I love it. I've tried it. I've had it like so many times, but yeah, I don't remind. And then we have a little towel that comes with it. So look how cute it is. We have a towel and a cleansing balm. This is my staple. This is one of the products I keep repurchasing. So, you know, I don't really mind the fact that I've had it before. I've tried it before because it's really good. Okay, moving on to the next tin. And this one is more like a pinkish, like a powdery pink. Cool. Number 10 is here. And here we have, okay, something I know and like, luckily. So this is, do you know what, I like pretty much anything by ELEMIS, so I don't know why I'm so surprised that the products I've tried are actually the ones that I like. Anyway, so this is papaya enzyme pill, enzymatic cream exfoliator, and I've had that before. I even have it like a full-size bottle somewhere in my stash, and this is like a really nice chemical exfoliator. I do have sensitive skin and it does not irritate my skin, but it actually exfoliates it nicely. Okay, so apply to cleansed skin, avoiding the delicate area around your eyes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and remove with lukewarm water. So this is pretty much like an exfoliator in a mask. You have to just leave it on your skin for a bit so that it can work its magic. All right, so number 11, the green door here. I really like the design of this advent calendar, although, okay, it opens like that. Another green one, okay. I really like this design. I think it's actually quite like elegant, and yeah, it's quite unique too with those tints, you know. So this is Superfood Sicca Calm Hydration Juice Super Hydrating Gel. This lightweight hydrator packed with moisture quenching fruit, waters, organic aloe juice and antioxidant rich Sicca helps to visibly calm and balance skin for a healthy looking complexion. Okay. Apply every morning to cleanse skin. So this is the moisturizer, but this one seems to be a little bit more lightweight one. So perfect for those of you who have like oily skin or combination skin. This is also like calming, so I'm assuming this should be perfect for people with acne or acne prone skin. We have 20 ml here. I will test it. I will gladly test it. I mean, I used to kind of avoid like very lightweight creams, but these days I actually use them whenever I have like a heavier serum, like an oil-based serum. I actually like to put a lightweight moisturizer on top of that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that one too. And again, something new I haven't tried before. Number 12. Okay, so this is again something I have tried. This is Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial Hydrating Sleep Mask. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks up close, and we have 15 ml here. Apply overnight and rinse off in the morning. So this is like a facial kind of mask or something like that. You just apply it on your face overnight and just, you know, just rinse it off in the morning, and it makes your skin look really nice. I do love this line, by the way. The peptide line is amazing. It's perfect, especially if you have more mature or dry skin, so that works perfectly for, I think, those types of skin in particular. Okay, number 13, it's over there. And what is this? This is Herbal Lavender Repair Mask, and this is 15 ml. I haven't tried anything from this lavender line, so I'm really curious. The skin balancing mask is ideal for sensitive blemish-prone skin. Apply to the face, leave for 10 minutes and remove with warm water. I do not have blemish-prone skin, but my skin is actually sensitive, so that should work too, right? So this is what we're getting here, and this is 15 ml. Number 14 is over there, and here we have Dynamic Resurfacing Skin Smoothing Essence. Skin Resurfacing Essence, and this one says use morning and evening after cleansing and toning. Shake bottle 2 to 3 times to dispense essence into your palm. Gently pat and press into skin until fully absorbed. That is quite cool. Also, this one contains AHAs apparently, so whenever you use it, you should apply a sunscreen on top. I mean, you should always apply sunscreen, but especially if you're using some acids, you know. So this is how the product looks. So we have 28 ml, and this is how the product looks. And since this contains acids, for those of you who have like really sensitive skin that is not really used to like acids yet, I'll just start using this like maybe once a week, not too often, just to get your skin used to acids. Okay, moving on to number 15, and here we have another from the like the peachy, like orange kind of series. This is Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser. Okay, so this is like another cleanser, but is it going to be like the facial wash or something a little bit more intense? This is 20 ml. Let's see. This comforting cleansing butter infused with fermented pumpkin enzyme and AHAs removes all makeup and leaves skin feeling nourished with a healthy glow. Okay, so it removes makeup, but can you use it on your eyes? I don't think so, because it has acids, right? Massage into dry skin and rinse with warm water, or apply to a cotton pad and wipe gently over face and eyes. Okay, so you can use it on your eyes, because you know I don't really like the makeup removers that you can't use them on your like whole face and eyes and everything, because that doesn't make sense. I don't really want to use like two different products for like, you know, my face and my eyes. I just want to have one product that just removes the makeup from all over. So yeah, you can actually use it on your whole face, eyes including, and this is actually cool because this is like a not your like typical face wash. This is like the face step of your cleansing routine, the one that removes your makeup. So cool, that means it's not like a proper overkill because we only had one makeup remover so far, so this is the second one. Okay, 16 over here. Oh, this is the product I thought we got before. This is ELEMIS Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask, and we have 4 mils here. And this is a gorgeous product. I love it. This is like a gel, but it's like a creamy gel. I don't even know how to describe because it feels so weird, but it absorbs super quickly, and it actually like nourishes and hydrates the skin around your eyes. It's really good. I really love it. I just finished like the whole pot, or the full-size pot of it, and yeah, I'm really glad to have a little bit of that here. Number 17 is over there. Come on. And here we have ELEMIS Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix Wrinkle Smoothing Night Cream, and this is my favorite ELEMIS night cream. I do love it. It's also probably one of the most expensive ones, but I don't know, my skin has an expensive taste, I guess. I don't know. Apply every evening to cleanse dry skin. Yeah, but this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I think I actually finished a pot of it like recently too, so again I will have a little bit of a refill. Number 17, number 18 is over here. We have another product from the Pro Collagen line, and this time we have Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, a skin energizing cleanser. I actually had it before, and I quite like it. I mean, this is, you know, this is not the product that changed my life or anything like that, but I actually quite liked it. 30 mils, another face wash. A little bit of an overkill, if you ask me. I mean, I'm going to use them up. It's not something that's going to be there like for ages, waiting to be used. But still, I don't think, I mean, maybe I'll prefer something else instead of one of those cleansers. This luxurious gel cleanser helps reduce surface oils and impurities, energizing the skin for optimum performance and a youthful glow. Massage into damp skin with fingertips, add warm water to create a lather, then rinse off. Alright, was it number 18? Okay, so the last number in this box, number 19. So here we have a dynamic resurfacing gel mask, skin smoothing mask. Okay, and this is from the anti-aging line again. This gel mask helps refine and smooth the skin surface. Skin feels smoother, shine-free, and more radiant. Apply to cleansed skin for 8 to 10 minutes, rinse off. Always use a high SPF during daylight hours. So yeah, we have a 15 mils, and I can't wait to try this one actually. I don't really mind getting face masks, you know, because for some reason, you know, 3 face washes seems like a lot, but if we are going to get like 3 face masks in here, I won't really mind. Okay, so that's another tin emptied. So we have one more, which looks like that. And what was the number that we should start? Oh, 20. Okay, so number 20 is here. By the way, this one actually have like a little bit bigger windows here, so we're going to have a little bit bigger products, which kind of makes sense, you know, we're near like the Christmas day, so obviously. So number 20 is Sea Lavender and Sunfire Body Cream, Skin Smoothing Body Cream. So I know this line. I've had like a body scrub, I think. It smells gorgeous. I mean, everything, like every body product pretty much smells amazing from ELEMIS, so I love it. But yeah, pretty much any single body product from ELEMIS smells amazing. Their body balms, their shower gels are really great. I really hope we're going to have a shower gel, like a matching shower gel. But yeah, we'll see, right? So what does it say here? The skin smoothing body cream protects the skin with moisture. Extracts of sea lavender and sunfire are blended with nourishing macadamia oil and oat to deeply condition. Skin is left feeling beautifully hydrated, soft and smooth. So we have a body product that's actually quite cool because everything else so far was pretty much face. Alright, so let's move on to number 21, which is this one here, the red door. And, okay, so I have what I wanted. We have sea lavender and sunfire skin smoothing bath and shower milk. And here we have 100 mils. So this is how it looks. From up close. So we have 100 mils of a bath and shower gel or milk. And we have 50 mils of the body cream. I don't think I mentioned how much we have in here, but it's 50 mils. Gently cleanse and nourish the body with this skin smoothing bath and shower milk. That sounds really cool. Okay, moving on, number 22. Ooh, okay, another new product from me. Ugh, can't get it out. Okay, yeah. So we have dynamic resurfacing facial pads, skin smoothing pads, and we have 14 of them. So this is how it looks. And I'm assuming these are probably like cleansing pads with some alpha hydroxy acids, right? These resurfacing facial pads with ELEMIS patented Enzyme technology act as a very effective yet gentle exfoliator for dead skin cells. When removed, skin looks more even and radiant. That sounds really cool. I do love like exfoliating pads, so that's definitely something I cannot wait to try. And I haven't tried that before, so yeah, really happy with that one. Okay, number 23. So we're almost there. Okay, another body product. I'm really glad that we do have some body stuff too. Okay, I'm struggling. Anyway, this is a Frangipani Monoi body cream, luxurious body cream. Again, we have 50 mils, and this one again smells amazing. So as much as the lavender one is a little bit aquatic, mineral kind of scent, this one is more like, I would say, like this oriental kind of sexy scent. I love it. I really love this one, and I'm really glad it's here. Are we going to get a matching shower gel? I don't think we will, because it doesn't, or maybe we will, who knows, let's see. So number 24, Christmas Eve. I'm not sure if it's a full-size product, but it's quite big, isn't it? So this is a skin nourishing shower cream, enriching shower cream, 100 mils. So it's not the matching one for the Frangipani Monoi, but it's a shower cream nevertheless. So I'm quite happy. I haven't tried that one. What does it say? This exquisite shower cream formulated with milk proteins, camellia, macadamia and jojoba oils gently cleanses for skin that feels beautiful after showering. Okay, I'm actually quite glad. It's 100 mils, so that will last me for quite a long time. Again, quite happy this was like a body product, because we've had quite a lot of face products anyway. And now let's see what's inside the door number 25. I know what it's going to be. It's not going to be like super exciting for me, but guys, this is a proper full size. So this is 50 mils, not your regular 30 mils that you get in advent calendars. That is described as full size, but this is like a proper full size. Obviously, this is a product that doesn't really need much introduction. This is ELEMIS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, their bestseller. Everybody loves it. I personally, it's not like I don't like it. It's, to me, this one is just okay. As much as I love pretty much every single product from ELEMIS, this one I just like. I do prefer the rich version of this cream, and it would be amazing if they actually let us choose, like if we're going to get this one or the rich version. That would be amazing. I'm not like unhappy with this product. I'm not disappointed. Like, to be honest, I even knew that this is going to be here, but I kind of expected 30 mils for some reason. I don't know. Considering the fact that I prepared the whole like reveal thing, I should remember, but then I try to like forget what was in there. I try to forget to have a little bit of a surprise. So yeah, I'm actually surprised that this is like a proper full size. I've never seen it in a jar that big. But yeah, this is everything in this advent calendar. What do you think? I actually really like it. I really liked it. I am an ELEMIS fan, so obviously it will be difficult to disappoint me. So the only thing I would change is like one of those like face washes to something else, anything else. I don't know. I don't think, I mean, I'm pretty sure they're going to be amazing, but I will probably enjoy something a little bit different, a little bit more. Yeah, but that's just my opinion, okay? Everything else seems amazing. I'm glad that they actually included some body products, so that is like a little bit more comprehensive with it, and I really like it. I really enjoyed it, and I really loved the design and the cans, the tins. What do you think, guys? Please let me know down in the comments below what you think about this advent calendar. Did you get one of these, or are you planning to get one? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching. For more advent calendar unboxings, check these videos here. I'm going to see you very soon. Take care. Bye.